do hope that you will enjoy the ride.
Turn right onto Gillespie Drive.
I hope that you will enjoy the ride, and as usual, this is traveling through my lens. I'm providing you with this kind of scenic drive or route in the event that you're not familiar with this place. All right, but as usual, it's a very nice place to live. The crime rate down this side is low. So I'm actually going through Gillespie.
In half a mile, turn left onto McDermott Road.
I'm going through Gillespie Drive, and this is a very nice community as well. There's a lot of houses. They have a school in here. They have playgrounds, and that's the thing with most of the places here in Texas. All the communities are almost the same. Everybody have a playground. Everybody have their little pool, community areas that you can actually participate. Have your kids come out and hang out with each other and play. So I like the idea, so if you're kind of stuck up and you don't want your kids to be like, then probably, yes, you're fine to live here, but it wouldn't be ideal because you'll probably see a lot of kids in their little backyard playing, or so who knows. But either way, it's open to everyone.
Left onto McDermott Road.
We're heading on to McDermott Road. Across, as you can see directly ahead, we have there's a big playing field that we have a lot of persons tend to be playing, like cricket, especially on Sundays, holidays. They'll have a lot of games over there being played. And then to your right is the YMCA. So if you're into doing any different activities, extracurricular activities with your kids, or if you're into swimming, martial arts and all those things, I think they have different events over there that you can participate in. And it's a family friendly campus. So we're currently on McDermott Road, and this is we're heading into Dallas. So this is in Plano right now. So we're gonna be driving for the next 5 minutes because we're heading all the way down to Central Expressway, so we can actually get onto 75. Walgreens to your right. We have some gas station on your left, as well as some little malls. There is a Montessori school here, and Montessori is a very nice school. Their teaching system is very good, so you can always research them. It's a private school, but their method of teaching and learning, the approach that they have, is totally different, and that is one thing I like about that franchise. So you'll have different locations, but it is different locations owned by different persons, but at the same time the curriculum is the same or similar. And the temperature now is 66 degrees, and the time now is around 9 o'clock. So it's 9:09 a.m. in the morning here, and this is a Friday morning. To reach my destination at 9:53. If I had taken the tollway, which is the one that I normally take in the morning, heading into Dallas, that would probably cost me $7 to go into Dallas, and it would be like a 30 minutes drive. I'm not really in much of a rush this morning, so I don't need to be going on the tollway. Plus, sometimes I really don't know the exact route of where I'm going, so I just follow wherever GPS tells me to go, and that's where I go. So most of the time the GPS is going to be like, yeah, go that direction, because I don't turn off the option to say avoid toll. And so yeah, it takes you on every toll road you can think of to get to your destination. So this morning I went ahead and removed that section, so that way I can show you a different side of Texas or Plano heading into Dallas. Oh my goodness, this car, sometimes I can't stand it. brakes up before you even, you know. But anyways, that thing will frighten you. Yeah, it kind of detect that you're gonna hit into somebody or like sense that you're gonna crash, even though you're probably like say 4 or 5 cars away. I guess thinking that the speed that you're coming at, they're thinking you're not gonna be slowing down, and so the car just start brake up and do all of that fancy stuff, scare you. So you can imagine if my heart is weak, Lord have mercy. But anyways, yeah. So we're heading through Allen, and they have a little community called the Preserve. They have some really nice, expensive houses, and that's to your left. You can't really see anything now because there's a lot of trees that are grown real tall. Initially when we just moved here, those trees were very small, but to your right here, right in the section, the right turn here, oh my goodness, that's a very nice, there's probably about 5 houses over that side, and the houses are beautiful. It's like they have their own little pond and whatever over there. It's a very nice place to go. Sometimes we'll just drive over there, but then you don't want to be driving and then people thinking that you're stalking them, so you can only visit 1 or 2 times just to see the beauty of the houses over there. But yeah, we have some really nice expensive houses here in Texas, which is, you know, above my pay grade. But I tell you, one day, yeah, one day I will own one. You just have to work hard. All right, so we're in Allen right now. We're in Allen, heading further down. And the thing about this place, like every time where you see like an intersection, all of these lead back to the same road. So if I make a left turn here and this is on Alma, I can still head back into Plano, where I'm coming from. So we're in Allen right now, which is a different, what you call a town or city, just like how you'd have Dallas. We're in Allen. So so where I currently live, I live in Plano. I shop in Frisco. I go to gym in McKinney, and then my son goes to daycare in Allen. So it is it is just like the proximity of the different towns are so close as to where I live, and you know, it's just the one little location there. So sometimes it's just a little bit confusing for me because everything is just like in the same area. So if I cross the road, I'm in one different town, versus if I, you know, if I do the opposite, I'm in another. Ooh, there is a Porsche in front of beside me. Just like so beautiful, but it's the sedan. It's like so sexy. There it is. See? Porsche. It's very nice. And the khaki color. Oh Lord. Very nice color.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Central Expressway, Central Service South. Expressway, Central Service South. In half a mile, use the left lane to take the US 75 South ramp. Use the left lane to take the US 75 South ramp, then merge onto US 75 South. Continue on US 75 South for 5 miles.
Then you have the HOV lane over to your left. That lane is usually pretty much empty. If you're traveling with 2 or more persons in your vehicle, then you're allowed to drive on that route and everything is fine, you know. Police won't charge you for driving illegally in that route, that lane. They won't charge you for driving in that lane, but yeah. So that's what this lane is for. Not this one, but the one to your left over across. Initially they had some barricades there, but persons usually drive over it. At one point I thought it was like metal, but I guess not. So people used to drive over it because sometimes you have accident on the road, and especially if you have accident in the HOV line, then persons will tend to just drive over the barricade and then come back onto the main road, or vice versa. If there's traffic on the main road, they'll just drive over the barricade, because the barricade, they look like they're metals, but they're not really metals. They are like plastic. But persons don't really know until you accidentally hit one and you realize that, oh, by the time you drive off, it just literally flip backs up. So yeah, so that's the thing about it. So they remove all of those and put those double lines. And it's been a while since I haven't driven on this road here, because as I say, I mostly take the toll if I'm going into Dallas, because I just cannot deal with the traffic on 75 here. So this road is called 75, and I just cannot deal with the traffic on this road, so I try to leave it. But then the traffic doesn't really change on none of the roads here in Texas, because it seems like you have more cars than road, because it's always congested. Regardless of the time of the day, it is just always congested whenever you're going about your normal day. So as usually just have to leave out early. I remember when I used to work at Texas in Dallas, Texas Health in Dallas, it was a case where I leave out at 5 o'clock for work at 7 after clocking by the latest 6:52, and most of the time I still reach at work late, because you're stuck in traffic for like 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So yeah. Then to your left you have Costco. They have a bunch of different things. There's another Kia on your right, a service center, Party Central, hotels. Yeah. As usual, this is Just Travel Plus, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead, subscribe for more, you know, where you can actually travel with me on a daily basis, or just see different things that I upload. You know, I'm just starting out, so it's not like I'm a big YouTuber. I like what I do. I like to travel, and I'm enjoying.
Half a mile. Keep right to stay on US 75 South.
I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So yeah. Oh, I think I need to go passengers in their vehicle. So if you're driving over that side, it means that you are following the rules. And HOV means high occupancy vehicle. So usually if you're doing like carpooling, then that's one way you can actually drive over there. So I'm kind of surprised that now that the road is actually, the barricades are not there, that you don't have any cars over there, because usually you'll have cars just driving past on that with the barricades on that are not even meeting the criteria for high occupancy or HOV status. But either way, that's good. As I say, I'm heading into Dallas. I'm on 75 in Dallas here, heading to another location. So if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, hope you're enjoying the video. Take the express, then now is the time. See, HOV, the cost for that is 2+ or more. It is $5.05. If you have the tag, it's $5.05 to go on the Dallas North Tollway. So as I say, it's very expensive to drive on these toll. And the thing about it is that the toll is no better than the regular route, because the traffic is the same. Imagine every day you're spending $5 just to go up there, and this is just one toll you're paying. I'm not talking about the other tolls that you have to pay, from wherever you're coming from. Talking about that express route there, that is $5. So some days you end up spending $15 on toll. $15, so 15 times 30. That makes sense to buy a jet. You go right, you can exit right, and that will take you back on Forest Lane, like heading into into the Dallas area there. It will take you to Forest Lane. wonderfully paved roads. You see those bridges? Yes, I think that is the George Bush. Is it George Bush? I think it's George Bush. It's George Bush. It leads from. Yeah, I'll tell you when I figure it out. I think it's a George Bush. And across that bridge over hill is the Church Hill Way. So that road there is Church Hill Way. Yes, this car always give me heart attack. And then you have a heart hospital over to your left here, which is another heart and spine hospital. And this is heading into the Dallas area. So we're on the Central Expressway. Usually have a bunch of places you can eat fast food. Wendy's, Whataburger, Popeyes, Burger King, everything to make it blow up and look like a big balloon. Yes, it's right here in one stop, one place, everything. You name fast food, it's around this side. And the food not taste good, you know. The food them not taste good. By the time you look and smell the food, your belly full. Sometimes you don't have no other option, you just have to go ahead and buy the food. But I tell you, the food not tastes good. I can tell you the fries in Whataburger is good, and the fries in McDonald's is good. Yes, so I'll give it a plus for that one. But apart from that, food them can't stay. One bag of grease. One bag of grease. We're going to be passing through Walnut Hill Lane, and as usual there are hotels on both sides, you know, and as I said, everything else in every area that is the same. So you have the same malls, you know, you have the same stores, restaurants are similar, fast food similar. So yeah. attraction is that big gold building there. Ask me what it is because I don't know. Yes, we're in the same boat. It seems like it's some business places up there. Yeah. We have Chick-fil-A to your left. Jamaicans, if you're on here, you will enjoy eating at Chick-fil-A. Some days the sandwich can be a little bit salty, but for the most part, it will remind you of KFC in Jamaica. Yeah, you'll love it. So that is my number one place to go in terms of fast food, because a real chicken them so them cook. Yeah, a real chicken. So, and then the customer service at that place, even if the food salt, just the customer service at that place alone will make us continue eating the salt food. Yes, customer service turn up, greet you with a smile. Yeah, man. So the other day when I was in Jamaica, I saw that KFC had some people outside taking orders at the window, you know, of people cars and all. And I was so excited about it. Come here and say, yeah, man, we step up with the customer service. But this when I reach up to the window and start order, the young lady never seemed like she was happy. I'm not happy either because the sun is hot. Yes, the sun is very hot. And she never have no umbrella like what the people in Chick-fil-A have. She never have nothing over her head. She never have no AC a blow upon her. Yes, so her facial expression never seemed like, say, you know, she really wanted to be out there. And that is totally understandable because everybody knows the temperature in Jamaica very, 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 very hot. Yes, the temperature hot down there. So you can imagine having people in the KFC, you know, go outside, to go stand up, to go serve people, stuck in them car. And you know how Jamaicans sometimes them can't come to one conclusion as to what they want. They have the poor lady out there stand up and take order and I change the order every second. But anyways, it was just something that, you know, we did a laugh about because I say, you guys will never be like how Chick-fil-A people them stay, because rain or shine, temperature could be 0. Chick-fil-A people workers out there and out there giving you customer service with a smile. Yes. Sometimes I feel wonder if them people are normal, because it's a total different kettle of fish them. It's a different set of people Chick-fil-A find to work for them, because them people are dedicated. But anyways, yes, we're still in, where is this? Somewhere in Dallas. So you have Baylor University Medical Center somewhere around this side, and the great Lucid office. You know the car, the brand Lucid. The office is over to your right. Yeah. They have an outlet in Legacy in Plano that I want to visit and look at it. You know, you have to kind of dress the part. You can't walk one of them places there looking like a poor person. You have to dress the part. So if it means you have to put on a little knockoff Chinaman slippers, you go in there, we say Balenciaga, or you have to put on something where say Louis Vuitton. And even if you knock off, you have to walk in there, man. You have to walk in there and look on the stuff them. Okay, you can't walk in there because probably people don't allow you to come in there, you know. If you don't look the part. Yeah, man. You don't look the part. Just like you can't walk in a Louis Vuitton, just, you know. I don't think you can walk going in there. I'm not gonna try it because I don't look the part, so I don't even want to think about going in there. I just go about doing my regular thing. You understand? But I think that if you don't look the part, then they won't allow you to come in and showcase you anything. Because they might probably think you're idlers. Yeah. Probably think you're idlers if you're going to Louis Vuitton for look one bag when they look like, say, your bag will cost you $40. Can you imagine all if your bag costs you $300? You can't walk going to Louis Vuitton. Yes, sir. Anyways, I'm 9 minutes out and this thing is telling me that I'm heading in the direction for Houston.
In a quarter mile, keep left to continue on US 75.
This road is very tricky. Very, 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 very tricky.
Keep left to continue on US 75.
Keep left. Oh, so all three are left. Left.
Continue for 2 miles.
Okay.
In 2 miles, take exit 283A toward Lamar Street.
So this is the section where them call real country in Dallas. Yeah, man. Real country. We're gonna go on Lamar Street.
In half a mile, take exit 283A toward Lamar Street.
Oh, they have a Jamaican restaurant down this side. I think they call it. I'm not going to even call the name, you know, because
Take exit 283A, then merge onto Julius Sheps Freeway.
I was disappointed with the food. Disappointed with the food because where may I go? The food never tastes nothing like Jamaican because as far as me concerned, Martin Luther Boulevard are the wrong road me come on thought.
Merge onto Julius Sheps Freeway, then turn right onto Metropolitan Avenue.
This road is not what the road is. This is not the road. Alright,
Head southeast on I-45 South.
let's continue.
Continue on I-45 South for 2 miles.
This don't make no sense. Okay, next. Go straight first. Yeah, I made a wrong turn, and so this is what happens when you made a wrong turn. So the GPS is telling me to go straight across. I think. Stop. So go straight across.
In 1.5 miles, take exit 281 for Overton Road. Head south on exit 282. Continue for 1.5 miles.
You see if me tell you some lost. I am like so lost because
Head south on I-45 South. Continue on I-45 South for 1.5 miles.
1 minute from my route, my destination, to 10
In half a
minutes
mile,
out.
take exit 281 for Overton Road. Take exit 281, then turn right onto East Overton Road. Turn right onto East Overton Road. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Sergeant Road.
Sergeant Road.
Turn right onto Sergeant Road.
People, yes, this is in Dallas, Texas. Okay. And then this.
Continue on Sergeant Road for 1 mile.
Can't be Sergeant Road. Oh, this is Sergeant Road. Okay. I almost went on an industrial building a while ago to go find Sergeant Road. Next time, just go with the GPS and hit it road. So you don't avoid this. Because nobody can some back road in a Dallas.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto Sutherland Avenue.
You hear you hear all of the places that I'm traveling to? I'm passing through. Okay. So because I don't know where the places are, this is not my hometown, I can't really tell you, so I have to just let you listen to what the GPS says, okay?
Continue straight onto Sutherland Avenue. Continue on Sutherland Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
What is me pick up on myself? It's only for you guys, you know, only because of you guys, my subscribers, why I'm doing this. Yes, because I want to show you different places and what it is like, because sometimes we are of the mindset that, you know, yard is worse than anything else. But sometimes you have some places in America that is worse than yard, you know. Because sometimes we see some people are living in some places, and me I feel really wonder if this is the American dream, because the places are not in good condition. And you're talking about people who have resources at them fingertips. So
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Bonnie View Road.
I like the fact that I drive and I showcase, because you have some persons who are not able to leave where they're from. And sometimes I feel as though because them live in a one little, what you call shed, something below top board and wood or dirt, or they live in a, you know, a one bedroom with a kitchen and bathroom, they feel as though, you know, that is it for them, or life is worse than anything else. No, sometimes you live life, and not until you see where some other persons are living, then you come to understand and accept your situation, that there is light at the end of the road. You understand? There is light at the end of the road, because sometimes your situation better than a lot of people. You hear people come about them, oh, they're living in America, and them not live nowhere. Them living in some basement or something. You understand? So it's just the name, it's just a brand. America is just a brand, it's just a name that people just think, say, oh yeah, everything is good. Because when I was younger, my grandfather always talk about America, and him always say, yes, America road just look just like how the road down here. So look, you have red dirt to America, you have road with pitchy patchy, you have a bunch of things just like any other place. You understand? And so
turn left onto Hutchins Road, then turn left onto Norfolk Avenue.
and so I used to just think that, and I understand the stupid GPS here.
Head north toward Bonnie View Road, then slide right onto Bonnie View Road.
I understand that. So, yeah, so this is just me showing
then turn left onto Hutchins Road.
different places, the good, the bad, the ugly. You know, that is what my channel is going to be about.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Hutchins Road. Head north on Bonnie View Road toward Hulse Boulevard, then turn left onto Hulse Boulevard. Turn left onto Hulse Boulevard, then turn left onto Hutchins Road. Turn left onto Hutchins Road.
Look right in front of me right now. Look at the house right in front of me. How many places in a Jamaica look so? Yeah. And then people live in foreign. See how all dog out the door, yeah. See it, yeah? Mongrel. See a mongrel dog? Yep. Them they all over. So don't feel like, you know, you're missing out on anything. Yes, opportunities are here in the US, which is good, and if you get the opportunity, take it. But sometimes you don't have the opportunity, and you just have to work with what you have, you know, work with your situation. So
Head south on Bonnie View Road toward
you
Arriva
just have to
Street.
work with your situation.
In 1,000
because
feet, turn right onto Hutchins Road.
that it is. That is it. You just have to work with your situation, and as you go along, you know, things will get better. But for now, if you're in a country watching this that, you know, the resources are limited financial wise, you know,
Turn right onto Hutchins Road. then
just
turn
know
left
that,
onto Norfolk Avenue.
you know, you're probably in some better situations than some persons here in the US. Alright, let's see
Turn
if I
left
can
onto
find
Norfolk
this
Avenue,
thing.
then turn left. Head south on Bonnie View Road toward Cedar Crest Boulevard, then turn right onto Cedar Crest Boulevard.
This road here,
Turn right onto Cedar Crest Boulevard, then turn right onto Surrey Avenue.
We can't manage the road here. I cannot manage this road.
Turn right onto Surrey Avenue, then turn right onto Huntington Avenue.
So we'll stop right there, so in the window. Move. Oh no, right. Leave.
Turn right onto Huntington Avenue, then your destination will be on the right.
Alright viewers, I will show you my journey back. I do hope that you enjoy the trip. Alright.